Blacktown City Libraries provides a wide range of online resources that can be easily accessed from the comfort of your own home or while you are out and about. Today, we will focus on Indyreads, a one-stop shop for all your ebook and e-audiobook needs. But this time, we will be showing you how to download and use the Indyreads app. To begin, you will need to download the free Indyreads app onto your device. You can do this through the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it has loaded, type Indyreads into the search bar and select the appropriate result. Tap the download button to begin installing the app. Once the app is downloaded, it should appear somewhere on your device homepage or screen. Select the Indyreads app icon to open it. Initially, you will need to search for Blacktown City Council, then type in your library card number and PIN. These details will allow you to sign in. Once you have signed in, you can immediately browse the collection. You can use the search bar to search for a particular title or author, or you can explore a variety of curated lists and genres that may interest you. Once you have found the item you wish to borrow, select the title and click Borrow to confirm the loan. Then you can begin reading. If you want to return your item, simply view your bookshelf, locate the title you want to return, and select the 3 dots in the corner. Then press Return Loan. That's it! Welcome to Indyreads! Feel free to contact library staff online, over the phone, or in person with any questions you may have.